In the delicate dance of gardening, transplanting is a choreography that requires precision and consideration. Lily of the valley, with its fragrant, bell-shaped blooms and lush green foliage, adds a touch of elegance to any garden. However, when it comes to moving these enchanting perennials, timing is of the essence. In this guide, we unravel the secrets of when to transplant lily of the valley for a seamless transition and continued blooming beauty. Understanding lily of the valley. Before delving into the optimal transplanting time, let's acquaint ourselves with the star of the show, lily of the valley, Convallaria majalis. Known for its low growing habit and sweetly scented flowers, this perennial thrives in shaded woodland areas. Lily of the valley is hardy and resilient, making it an ideal choice for gardeners seeking a charming, low-maintenance addition to their landscapes. The best time to transplant. The ideal time to transplant lily of the valley is during its dormant period, typically in late autumn or early spring. These seasons offer a window of opportunity when the plant is not actively growing, minimizing stress and allowing for a smoother transition. 1. Late autumn transplanting. In late autumn, after the foliage has naturally withered and turned yellow, lily of the valley is preparing for dormancy. This period, before the ground freezes, presents an excellent opportunity to transplant. Gently lift the rhizomes, ensuring you include an ample root ball, and replant in the desired location. Water well and add a layer of mulch to protect against winter frosts. 2. Early spring transplanting. As the earth awakens from its winter slumber, early spring is another opportune time for lily of the valley transplanting. Aim for the period just before new growth emerges. This allows the plant to establish itself in its new home before the growing season kicks into full gear. Water thoroughly after transplanting and maintain adequate moisture during the initial weeks. Transplanting steps. Regardless of the chosen season, a successful lily of the valley transplant follows a set of essential steps. 1. Preparation. Choose a new location with well-draining soil and partial to full shade. Amend the soil with organic matter to enhance fertility. Water the plant thoroughly a day or two before transplanting to reduce stress. 2. Digging and lifting. Gently dig around the perimeter of the lily of the valley clump to lift the entire plant, including the rhizomes and roots. Lift with care to minimize damage to the roots. 3. Replanting. Place the lily of the valley in its new location at the same depth it was growing before. Space multiple plants at least 6 to 12 inches apart to allow for natural spreading. 4. Watering and mulching. Water the transplanted lily of the valley generously. Apply a layer of organic mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Conclusion. Transplanting lily of the valley is an artful endeavor that, when done at the right time, ensures the continued grace and beauty of these enchanting blooms. Whether you choose the crisp days of late autumn or the burgeoning days of early spring, understanding the plant's natural rhythm is key to a successful transition. By following the outlined guidelines and paying heed to the nuances of the seasons, your lily of the valley will flourish in its new home, bringing timeless elegance to your garden year after year.